హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ టెట్ అండ్ డిఎస్సి నెట్వర్క్. మీరు ఈ వీడియోని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూసినట్టయితే ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయడం, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయడం అండ్ అలాగే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. లాస్ట్ వీడియో వచ్చేసి ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఆఫ్ డెవలప్మెంట్లో 10 ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అనేది డిస్కస్ చేసాం. సో ఈ వీడియో వచ్చేసి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సింగ్ ద డెవలప్మెంట్. We will see what factors will influence the development. So we have different types of factors which influence development. So some of them we have biological factor, psychological factor and social factor. In biological factor, the factors which are related to our internal growth and external growth all comes under the biological factor, like heredity, maturation, glands, disabilities and diseases. And next one, psychological factor. In psychological factor, we can say that all the factors which are related to our mental factors are comes under the psychological factor, like mental stress, mental abilities, feelings, emotions all comes under the psychological factor. And next one, social factor. In social factor, we can say all factors which are related to our surroundings are called social factors, like family, school and society. So these are the general factors which influence the development, and we have two important factors which influence the development are heredity and environment. So in this video we will discuss in detail about the heredity. Okay friends, so next concept, heredity. Here heredity means the characteristics that a person inherit naturally from his or her parents. Means what are the qualities a person will get naturally from his parents, all that comes under the heredity. Like we can say height, weight, aptitude and appearance and so on. So all this comes under the heredity. So first, what is heredity we have understand. So a person, how the characteristics get by heredity we will see. From our parents we will get 1 by 2 part heredity traits from our parents, and 1 by 4 from grandparents, and 1 by 8 from great grandparents, and 1 by 12 from ancestors, means our previous generations or forefathers we can say. So from this the questions we will ask like not correct, incorrect, we can expect questions from this, like not correct, correct statements, not correct statements, which is correct statement when which is incorrect, like that questions we can expect from this topic. So this is very important, we have to remember from grandparents how much part it will trait or inherit from the heredity. So next we will discuss the process of how heredity will go. So let us assume that this is a cell. So this is a nucleus we can say. So in this, the thread like structure, this type of thread like structure are chromosomes. In thread like structure, on the thread like structure we will have a bead like structures, means like this. In on the thread we have bead like structures, all these called genes. Means on one chromosome we have 3000 genes for a human. On each chromosome we have 3000 genes. These genes will inherit the heredity material that is called DNA. So here the DNA will determine the structure of the genes, and DNA is helps in transmitting the genetic material, and RNA will helps the DNA for the transmitting of genetic material. So how the heredity process we have understood. So this is the process of the heredity. So we have zygote and then chromosomes. On chromosomes we have genes, that is our bead like structure. On each chromosome we have 3000 genes, and the heredity material in genes is called DNA. The DNA will determine the gene's structure, and DNA helps in transmitting the genetic material, and here RNA will helps for DNA for transmitting the genetic material. So this is the process of heredity. And next concept we will see how chromosomes we have, how many types of chromosomes, and we will see in detail. So we have X chromosomes and Y chromosomes, right? X is the long chromosome and Y is the short chromosome. We can say X is the long and Y is the short. In a human, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes. In 23 pairs, 22 pairs are related to physical chromosomes, or we can say autosomes, and only 23rd chromosome is only the gender deciding chromosome or allosomes. Here we can say 23rd chromosome is gender deciding chromosome or allosomes. In this one pair, last pair, we will have male chromosome and female chromosomes. For male, we have X and Y chromosomes. For female, we have X and X chromosomes. So, this is the detailed explanation of the chromosomes. So, we will see next what factors will affect a person after the birth, means after the birth what factors will affect a person's life. So first one we can see here, heredity, inheritance. We have discussed a detail about the heredity, how heredity will inherit for a person, natural we have discussed. And next one, gender. Here we can say female or male. This will affect the person's life after a birth. And next one, number of babies in a pregnancy. During pregnancy time, how many number of babies a woman is carrying, like one baby, twins, or three babies, like that. And next one, order of the baby in its siblings, like brother sister we have now. In that the order of the siblings is also will affect the person's life after the birth. So these are the four important factors which affect the life of a person after birth. This is also most important. So there is a chance to ask a question like which is correct statement and which is incorrect from these given options, like that we can expect questions from this concept. And next we will see the twins. Here we have two different types of twins. First one, identical twins. Second one, non-identical twins. Identical twins means the zygote will split into two parts. So one zygote only will split into two parts. Here non-identical twins means union of two different sperms and eggs cause to birth of different twins is non-identical twins. So here from example we can say how identical twins we can identify. So let us assume a person A and a person B. Here in this identical twins, it is very difficult to identify who is the person A and who is the person B, because their appearance will be same, identical in appearance. So first point, identical in appearance. So there is same appearance in these identical twins. And second point, same gender. In these twins they will have same gender, both will be male and both will be female. And next point, have same heredity traits. These twins will have same heredity traits, and means they will inherit same type of heredity characteristics from their parents. So those are called the identical twins. And next one, non identical twins means here we can see it is somewhat easy to up to identify who is person A and who is person B, because they will not have the same type of appearance. So it is easy to identify who is person A and who is person B. And next point we see, they may or may not have same gender, means there is a possibility of having same gender, like both are male and both are female, and also there is a possibility of having different gender, one is male and one is female. And next point, they do not have same heredity trait, means they will not inherit same type of heredity characteristics from their parents. So this is the non identical twins. From this, there is a chance of asking questions like, by giving the examples of two persons, two twins, so identify which is correct according to the given statement. Like that we can expect questions from this concept, so it is also very important. Okay friends, in next video we will discuss about the laws of heredity and environmental influence. So okay friends, see you in the next video. And friends, don't forget to like our video, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next